Hello everyone, I'm Sneha Shetty and today we'll be studying second algorithm under page replacement in operating system. The second algorithm is optimal page replacement algorithm. Optimal page replacement algorithm replaces the page that will not be used for the longest period of time, or I use the code word see towards your right. We'll be solving two examples today. One is on frame 3 and one is on frames 4. We'll be using the same reference string for both the examples. We'll see the first example. So we have the reference string 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So in the first step, page number 1 will be brought into the main memory. In second step, page number 2 will be brought into the main memory. In third step, page number 3 will be brought into the main memory. Now when it comes or when the processor requests for page number 4, see towards your right and refer the pages which are already in the main memory. We have page number 1. So write down page number 1 in the same position. Next we have page number 2. Write it down in the same position which was present, and the last frame which is left out will be filled with page number 4. So you have to see towards your left which number is already present in the main memory. You have to write it in the same position, and then the last frame which is left out will be replaced with your new frame. Now coming to the next page, page number 1, which is already present in the main memory, so it will be a hit. Page number 2 again will be a hit because it is already in the main memory. Page number 5, now again see towards your right. We can see that page number 1 is nearly present. So first write down page number 1. Then we have page number 2. So write it down. The last frame which is left out will be replaced with page number 5. Page number 1 is a hit. Page number 2 is a hit because both these numbers are present in the main memory. Coming to page number 3, see towards your right and see the pages which are already present in the main memory. We have page number 4 and page number 5 towards our right, but only page number 5 is already in the main memory. So write it out first. When this kind of situation occurs, what you have to do is you have to use first in first out method. That is, 3 will be replaced with the oldest page which is present in the main memory. And in our example, the oldest page is page number 1. So write down 2 as it is. Replace 1 with 3. Next, when coming for 4, see towards your right, you have page number 5, write it down. Then you have page number 3, which is the newly page occurring. And then page number 2 is the oldest page, so replace it with 4. Page number 5 is already present in the main memory, so it is a hit. Let's count what are the number of page fault in the given example. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of page fault is 7 and the number of page hit is 5. Where we already know hit is nothing but that particular page is already in the main memory. It need not be brought in again. Whereas page fault is nothing but the page is not in the main memory and that page has to be brought into the main memory. In our step 1, step 2, step 3, we are going to bring in the pages which are requested by the processor. So it also becomes the page fault. Now we'll see the second example under optimal page replacement. So our reference string is the same string which we used for 3 frames. So the first 4 pages will be brought in a sequence. So first step, second step, third step and fourth step we bring in page number 4. Now 1 is already present in the main memory, so it becomes a hit. 2 is already present in the main memory, so again it becomes a hit. To replace page number 5, PC towards our right. Now compare it with the pages which are already present in the main memory. So we have page number 1, then we have page number 2, then we have page number 3. And the last frame which is left out will be replaced with the new page. So replace it with page number 5. Page number 1 again will be a hit because it is already present. Page number 2 will be a hit because it is already present. Page number 3 will be a hit because it is already present here. Now for replacing page number 4, see towards your right, we have page number 5. Write it down first in the same position. Then we have page number 1, 2 and 3. Now this situation we have to use first in first out. In first in first out, the oldest page is replaced with the new page. So the oldest page here is page number 1. So replace 1 with 4 and write 2 and 3 as it is. So 1 will be replaced with 4. And then 5 is already present, so it becomes a hit. Now number of page fault here is 6, whereas number of page hit is also 6. So this is all for today. Thank you.